Mastering culinary phrases. Garnish with a lime. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that mixes both language and culinary skills. We'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, garnish with a lime. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's zest up our language learning together. Garnish with a lime is a common instruction found in recipes, especially those for drinks or certain dishes. To garnish means to add a small amount of decorative or flavorful food items to a dish or drink. When we say, with a lime, we're specifying the type of garnish to use. Limes, being citrus fruits, not only add a pop of color but also enhance the flavor with their tangy taste. This phrase is about making the presentation of a dish or drink more appealing and adding a bit of extra flavor. Garnishes play a crucial role in both the appearance and the taste of a dish or drink. They can transform a simple meal into something visually appealing and elevate the overall dining experience. Limes, for example, can be used in various forms, as slices, wedges, or zest, each bringing its own texture and flavor intensity to the dish. This section emphasizes the importance of garnishes not just for their aesthetic appeal but also for their contribution to the culinary experience. Garnishing with a lime involves more than just placing a lime on the side of a plate or glass. It's about enhancing the dish's appeal and taste. Here are a few tips. For drinks, a lime wedge on the rim of a glass adds visual appeal and allows drinkers to squeeze in extra lime juice if desired. In cooking, adding lime zest or a squeeze of lime juice can brighten up the flavors, especially in dishes like seafood, tacos, or Thai cuisine. Presentation matters, so consider the look of the lime garnish. Whether it's a neatly cut wedge, a thin slice, or a twist of lime peel. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, garnish with a lime, and inspired you to experiment with garnishes in your cooking and drink making. Garnishes like lime can elevate your culinary creations, making them more enjoyable and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its practical uses. Happy cooking, and happy learning!